Hello dear doctors, I'm Dr. Subodh Kumar Saha as a chairman and course coordinator of SsAcademy. Yes, my dear doctors, you'll be glad to know that in this one-day workshop on MRCP UK Part 1, we are coming forward to Sylhet. What benefits that you are getting? You'll be getting, my dear, the first of all, decision making. You can decide yourself concretely to move forward for the career towards the degree of MRCP UK, my dear. And secondly, you'll have an overall idea how to prepare, what to study and what not to study, means the best way of preparations, my dear. And thirdly, overall discussions of each and every important topics from each and every systems all together for preparing yourself for the MRCP UK Part 1. After having this idea, you'll have the question bank of sets of question banks, my dear. You'll get them to prepare, to practice on them, to prepare yourself the best one. And fourthly and fifthly, lots of benefits altogether that will be provided from SsAcademy, my dear. So I think doing this program and attending this program will have a tremendous benefits to decide to make yourself prepare the best possible for the MRCP UK Part 1. I hope and believe that each and every doctors who are thinking and to dreaming themselves to be good physicians in future, to be MRCP holder, they will attend this course, and after that they can decide the best possible way to prepare. Thank you very much.